Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. So I hope you all are fine and you are doing your homework, you take care of yourself, right? So let's start our today's lecture. So first, who I am? I am your science teacher. Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. So in previous lecture we learn about body parts, right? And today we continue this topic which you have in your bridge course, right? So you already complete your bridge course and give to your teacher, right? So now we solve this exercise. Okay, so this is science subject which is new for you, but it is not tough, it is easy, right? So when you learn things in science, you can understand that different kind of atmosphere, different kind of plants, different kind of things, clouds, sky, animal, food, and many other things we all are learning in this subject, right? So I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our topic body parts because you are having two question of body parts, right? So we revise quickly all these things and we continue this topic. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. So what is line? The line is mistakes are proof that you are trying. What is meaning of that trying? It means when you are doing any work, for example, you are climbing stairs, for example, you are climbing mountains, right? For example, you are learning something new. When you start drawing, right, so you don't know how to draw rabbit, but one time you try, second time you try, when you try again and again, you learn how to draw rabbit and you draw rabbit very beautiful, right? So it means when you are doing any work, when you are start learning, if there is mistake, then it is the proof that you are trying, right? So first time when you draw rabbit, so at that time the ears of the rabbit are not as real rabbit first time, but when you try again and again and you practice it, then you are going to successful. So it means when you trying, it means it is your mistake and you find this mistake and you can learn everything. So mistakes are proof that you are trying. So it means when you are doing something and there is mistake, so don't bother yourself because it is the proof that you are trying. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. So before we start our today's topic, first we revise that what we learned in previous lecture. So here you can see the picture of one boy and the body parts of the boy. So our today's topic is we are writing the body parts, name of body parts, labeling the body parts with different type of activity. So the topic is same, that we are writing different type of body parts, name of body parts. The body parts are same, but the activity will change, right? So let's start our today's lecture with revision. So first we see that what we learned in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we help Neil to count their body part, right? So it means when previous lecture we learn about body parts, we learn that how many body parts we are having. We learn about eyes, we learn about hands, legs, toes, feet, nose and mouth, hair, many things we learn, right? So in previous lecture what we do? We help Neil. So first quickly revise what we learned in previous lecture and help Neil again, right? So in previous lecture, first we solve the exercise of your bridge course, right? So here you can see that the first question is, I have dash eyes, right? So what we do here, we have to write the number of the eyes in this box, right? So let's call Neil. In previous lecture we already done this. And where is the eyes of the Neil? You can understand the same eyes here, and this type of body part we are having here. So I circle the eyes and you can see here the eyes, right? So how many eyes we are having? 1 and 2. So what do we write in the box? Is there 4? Is there 5? Is there 6? No. So how many eyes we are having? 1 right eye and 1 left eye. So how many eye we are having? We have 2 eyes, right? So what we do? We write here number 2. I have 2 eyes, right? So again I repeat, how many eyes we are having? We are having 2 eyes. Remember that we are revising this, so you can easily identify your eyes also, and you can easily write and count your eyes also. So what we write here? I write here, I have 2 eyes. Then our next question is, I have dash mouth. Mouth means, right now I am speaking, so I am using my mouth. So when you want to eat food, you need mouth, because you want to chew food and you can eat food, right? So here we have options 7, 1, 3 and 5. Let's call Neil. Now where is the mouth of the Neil? Here. I circle the mouth of the Neil, and you can see here how many mouth we are having. You can count your mouth also. Remember that we have 2 lips, but mouth is only 1. So what we do here? We write the number of the mouth. And how many mouth we are having? We are having 1 mouth. I have 1 mouth, because the Neil is asking you. So that's why what Neil is calling, I have 1 mouth, right? So everyone have 1 mouth. If it is animal, if it is human beings, if it is bird, living things have only 1 mouth, right? So let's move on to next question. I have dash fingers. So how many fingers we are having? As I told you that we are having 2 hands, and here you can see the picture of Neil, right? So where is the finger of the Neil? Here you can see, and you can count your fingers also. In one hand you are having 5 fingers, and in other hand you are having 5 fingers. So when you count total fingers, the fingers are 10. So how many fingers we are having? We are having 10 fingers. So Neil is saying that I have 10 fingers, right? So now you can easily understand what we are learning in previous lecture, right? So now you can see that the next question here, and the next question is about ears, right? So let's call Neil. And where is the ears of the Neil? Here I circle the ears of the Neil. So how many ears we are having? You can count here 1 and 2. 1 right ear and second left ear. So it means 2 ears. So we are using ears to hear things, right? So what we write here in the box? We write in the box number 2. So how many ears we are having? We are having 2 ears, right? So what Neil is saying, I have 2 ears. Then the next, I have dash legs. So now where is our legs? Here you can see the Neil, and you can count here also 1 and 2, and you can see here I circle the legs. So we are having 2 legs, 1 right, 1 left, right? So what we write here in the box? 2. animals are having 4 legs, but we are not animal. Neil is not animal. So we are not animals, that's why we are having 2 legs. And many animals like birds also having 2 legs, right? So here we talk about Neil. So Neil having 2 legs. So I write here the 2 legs. I have dash arms. Our next question is about our arms. We called it hand also, right? So here I circle the arms. And how many arms we are having? 1 and 2. One right, one left. So what we write in the box? We write in the box 2. I have 2 arms. So now you can count your arms also, 1 and 2. Then our next question is, I have dash toes. So in previous lecture we also learned that we are having 10 fingers in hand and we also having 10 fingers in legs. But the thing is that when we learn about the fingers of the leg, so we called it toes, right? So how many toes we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 in one leg, 5 in second leg. So how many fingers we are having? We are having 10 fingers. So what we write here? 10. I have 10 fingers. But what we called it? When the fingers of leg, it called toes, right? So I have 10 toes. Then our next question is, I have dash nose. And where is the nose of the Neil? Here you can see. So there is only one nose. We all are having one nose, right? So now you can understand that So let's start our today's topic. So our today's topic is about body parts. In previous lecture we learn about body parts and we start count the body parts. But today's topic is we have to identify different types of body parts, right? So because you all know there is many parts in our body and you can count it also, but you have to identify this body part, right? So we start this topic with our body parts, right? So first let's quickly revise what we already learned. So here you can see the picture of hand, you can see here the fingers, you can see here your face, mouth, you can see here your stomach, you can see here your leg, feet, and you can see here your toes also. This we already learned in previous lecture. So we just identify different body parts and we start this, right? So you can understand that what are our body parts and we learn about more body parts and we also learn about different uses of the body parts. So here you can see one boy, right? And you can see the arrows also. So this arrow show you that which body part it is. So what we have to do here, we have to write the spelling of body part, right? So you can understand that different type of body parts and the different spelling of body parts also. So first arrow here you can see is the body part. This arrow. So which body part it is? It is our body part, but this body part is in many, in huge, right? So here you can see the body part. Now let's see the arrow. What is this? The color of this body part is red. But when you see your body part in your body, you can see that this body part is black color. Right? So as I told you in previous lecture, when we learn about hair, we learn in previous lecture that some people having black hair, some people having white hair, some people having red hair also. Some are having orange hair also. So here red hair. So what I write here? The spelling of the hair. H-A-I-R. As I told you in previous lecture that this hair you can see here, so we cannot count our hair because every day new hair grow, every day some hairs are fall, right? So that's why we cannot count the body parts, right? And here you can see this body part hair we cannot count. Now let's see our second arrow. So here you can see the second arrow, right? So what is this? Which body part it is? It is ears. So how many ears we are having? 1 and 2. How many ears we are having? We already learned in previous lecture. We help need. So we are having 2 ears, right? So I write here the spelling of ears, right? So what is the spelling of ear? E-A-R. So I write here ear because we are talking about one ear. We show the arrow which show us that only one ear. So what we write here? E-A-R. Ear, right? So first body part is hair, second is ear. Now here you can see the third arrow. What is this? It is our mouth. But in our mouth, pink color thing. Which body part it is? You can see here this body part. And let's see what is this? It is tongue, right? So what is use of tongue? We are using tongue to taste things, to speak also, right? So this help us to identify different kind of taste. That chili is spicy, chocolate is sweet, and salt is salty, right? So here you can see the tongue. And what is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue, right? So here you can see the spelling of tongue. Then our next body part is hand, right? So you can see here the spelling of hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. So the arrow which show you is the hand. But when you see this body part, it is hand. But here, this thing we called it arms, right? So, but the arrow show us the hand. So, that's why we write here H-A-N-D, hand, right? So, we write here 4 body parts, right? First is hair, second is ear, third is tongue, and fourth is hand, right? So now let's move on to next part here. The black arrow show us the body part. And which body part it is? It is eye, right? So how many eyes we are having? We are having 2 eyes. So what is the spelling of eye? E-Y-E. Because here the arrow show us only one eye. So what we write here? We write here E-Y-E. Eye. Right? So first arrow show us is eye. Then the second arrow. Here is arrow, and where this arrow is going? The arrow is joined with the nose. Which body part it is? It is nose. So what we write here? N-O-S-E, nose, right? So here first body part is eye, second body part is nose. And what is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E, nose, right? So here you can see the second body part. Now move on to next arrow. The next arrow, here you can see where is going this arrow? The arrow is going joint with stomach. What is this? It is stomach, right? So mostly when you don't want to go school, so what you tell to your mother? That you are having stomach pain. And we also called it tummy, right? So it is our stomach. So let's write the spelling of stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach, right? So here you can see the body part which is stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Then the next one is body part. Here you can see the arrow, and the arrow show us the leg. What is this? It is our leg. So we need legs to walk. Right? So now you can understand that the different body parts join together and make one structure, which we called it body. Right? So it is our body, and here I write the spelling of leg. Right? So leg, stomach, nose, eye, hand, ear, tongue. Right? So these all are some body parts. Remember that here we only write the spelling of some body parts, but we are having many body parts, right? So let's move on to next. Here you can see the body parts, name of body parts: hands, legs, eyes, ears, tongue, stomach, and hair. So we already identified these all body parts, right? So you can understand these all body parts we already identified. And here you can see the picture of boy again. And you can see the different body part here, right? So now you can see here this boy having golden color hair, right? So now you can understand that what is the different color having in our hair. So here you can see the boy's hair color is golden, right? So now let's find out the different body part and let's see and what about this boy, right? So let's sit in this train and we are going, and you can easily identify body part, right? So first here you can see the first body part, 1 and 2, and what is this? It is our hand, H-A-N-D, and how many hands we are having? 1 and 2, right? So here you can see 1 and 2 hands. What is this? It is our hands, H-A-N-D-S. So here you can see your body part, hands, right? Then next is the leg. Right? So here we are having 2 legs, 1 and 2. How many legs we are having? We are having 2 legs, right? So here the spelling of legs, L-E-G-S, legs, right? So now we learn about body parts, we can identify body parts, and we also count body parts this, and we can write this, right? So our next body part is eyes. It is eyes? No. Why? Because here you can see on eyes there is one circle. So 2 eyes, on 2 eyes we are having 2 circle, right? So it means it is our face. What is this? It is our face, and in our face we are having eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, and teeth. Right? So our next body part is hair. And as I told you that when you are going in foreign countries, they all are having golden hair. And when you are going in our country, mostly everyone has black hair. When you see the hairs of your grandfather, grandmother, the color of hair is white. Right? So here is hair. And what is this? It is our eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Then ears. Here you can see the picture of ears. Then mouth, which we use to speak. Then stomach, we called it tummy also. Right? So these all things we learn. Right? So here you can see different body parts. Hand, leg, hair, mouth, eyes, and you can see here the name of body parts: hands, legs, eyes, ears, tongue, stomach, and hair. So these all are our body part, right? So here you can see the picture of body parts, and the spelling of body part. Now what we do? We join this body part together and making the body of the boy. So first, which body part it is? It is stomach, which we called it tummy also. Now let's see which is the next body part. It is hand, right? So how many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. So here you can see one hand and here you can see second hand. So 2 hands and 2 legs. So one leg and second leg, right? So now let's see the next body part. It is our face, right? So here you can see the face. Now let's complete the face with eyes, ears. Here you can see 2 ears and here you can see the hair also, right? So here you can see the complete body. Now you can understand that if we are not having any one body part, so we are not working good. Why? Because if we are having only one hand, so we cannot clap. We are only having one eye, so we cannot see things clearly. If we are not having ears, then we cannot hear clearly, right? So you can understand that what are our body parts: hands, legs, eyes, ears, tongue, stomach, hair. And here is the boy. Now let's join the body parts here, right? So we are having hand, leg, stomach, hair, eyes and the second hand, right? So let's see. First we are having hair. The next body part, which is our next body part? It is our eyes, right? So what we do here? We joined eyes. Then the next is mouth, right? Then next is stomach. In one hand, second hand, right? And the last one is legs. Now which body part is missing here? 1 and 2. What we are having here? We are having ears. So here we joined ears and the body is complete, right? So now you can understand the different body parts. So let's remove the body parts from here because we joined this body part together. Now let's write the name of body part. So first is hair, right? The second is head. Now you can easily identify different body parts: hand, face, neck, chest, arms, hand, stomach, leg, foot, eye, ear, nose, teeth, mouth, shoulder, elbow, finger, knee and toe. So these all are our body part, right? So now you can easily understand that different body part, right? So we already complete and joined and identify different body parts, right? So here you can see the picture of your bridge course exercise. So now you can easily identify this picture. You can easily identify the difference between the body parts and you can also identify and put the pictures here, right? So what is your homework? You have to complete this question in your book with labeling it, right? And you can check it also, right? So what we learned today? Today we learn about body parts. We identify the body parts and we can easily write all body parts. So I hope you all enjoy this lecture and you all understand what we learned today. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.